I'm not going to say... No, I'm not going to say it's... nothing.
But if you notice it,
But I know there's something there, nothing. Second, that's all it is.
Yeah.
Just have a look.
Just tell him, yeah. I think you've got to tell them everything. Once they're investigated, if they don't know, they can't do anything.
Well,
look at your pepper. Is it a pepper, is it?
No.
Oh, it looks like a real pepper.
No.
Your is nice.
Yes.
So you're not worried about it, it's only a follow-up.
Yeah, it's just a follow-up. I always get it as you say. What am I going to hear? This is the unfortunate thing. There's nothing you can do.
You look well and you seem to be... Look at me, got that bit and all the other night, all there.
Oh.
All on my hand. This was
Where was this? Outside?
No, I went to Thorpe. There was a party in the park Wednesday. We had lovely fine weather and it was a really nice evening, although we had to wrap up warm. There was a Joe Loss band.